Right, so here we are trying out this Dragon 64 on this diddy little TV. It's the only working TV I've still got that will have a colour RF input. So let's see if we can tune in this Dragon. So like that, let's put that on. There's a power button, that's a reset, and that was the power button there. Let's see. Oh! And straight away it seems it's using exactly the frequency, RF frequency of the previous computer I tried, which was my Oric 1 that I was testing out there. That's a stroke of luck. Let's see if we can get that any clearer. Probably not. No, there's a bit of distortion. This TV isn't very good, doesn't have very good geometry. Hey, so there we go. Copyright 982, Dragon Data Limited. Something basic, 16K basic interpreter 1.0, copyright 1982 by Microsoft. I suppose I should do the traditional program. When do you go to 10? There we go. Hello, Richard. Cool. So we have this cartridge, Meteoroids. I'm guessing we probably ought to turn this off before we put the cartridge in. Let's see what happens. In there. Doing anything? Here we go. Meteoroids, copyright 1982. What's your name? God, this geometry is really off. It seems to vary with the colours. It's no longer just a straight trapezium. Enter your skill level 0 to 15. 5. Mode 1 or 2. Let's try 1. Okay, now is there anything that works with keys? Don't know. Is that me going across the middle? Do I need the joysticks? Aha, I don't know. Let's try plugging in a joystick or two, see if that makes any difference. Turn it off just in case it's sensitive about these things. Where is it? Joystick left in there. Joystick right in here. Of course, I could go and read the friendly manual. But where's the fun in that? Okay. Skill level 5, mode 1. Okay, now is that doing anything? I don't know. Oh, it's maybe doing something on this one, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, that's firing. So I can fire. Oh yeah, okay, so so it's actually moved. It's not like rotate left and right and thrust. It's move, or it thrusts in whichever direction you move the joystick. That's a nice mechanic if you've got an analog joystick like this. Oh, I like this. Haven't got any sound. I wonder if it's whether the sound comes out through the TV or whether it just doesn't have any sound. Let's try the TV volume. Oh yes, there we go. A bit new game, yes. It's a bit rough, that sound. I wonder if that's dependent on the tuning of the TV. Right. Well, that's maybe a bit better. It's probably about as good as we're going to get without... Now, I didn't notice an audio output on the video port when I looked at the pin out. So I'll have to investigate. Oh, I like this game. It would be better on a decent screen though. I'm going to have to get that composite video output working. Cool. Thank you very much to the friend who is going to remain nameless for now because I don't know if he wants his name on the internet, but thank you very much. This is a very nice machine, and yeah, this is going to go in the cabinets over there and have a bit more of a play too.